Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience. In this video, I have come to tell you about another recruitment announced by Central Bank of India. This is recruitment of specialist officers in the IT and other related streams. So we are going to discuss this notification in detail in this video. This is the recruitment PDF. This is attached in the description below. You can download this and check out various details. Online application starts from 18th of November and will last up to 3rd of December. The date of online examination is 14th of December. 14th December को IBPS SO का भी means है. So you'll have to see whether you want to appear, whether you are eligible to appear for this recruitment or not. It also depends upon your IBPS SO IT prelims result. The tentative date of interview is 2nd week of January 2025. Let's look at the details. Let's look at the number of vacancies. In Scale 4 for Specialist, IT and other streams, there are 10 vacancies. For Scale 3, there are 56 vacancies. For Scale 2 Manager, there is 162 vacancies. And for Scale 1 Assistant Manager, there are 25 vacancies, making a total of 253 vacancies. The vacancies are in these job role. For Design UI UX Designer, there are 3 vacancies. For Developer Java, COBOL and .NET. In developer post, there are 33 vacancies. For server administration, 7 and 9. For network administrator, 3 and 10. For database administration, there is 2 and 7 vacancies. Then for data and analytics, these are the number of vacancies. General AI expert, 5 vacancies. IT security, there are 17 vacancies. IT support, different type of IT support, where IT officers are going to be recruited. There are 60 vacancies. For IT support, 25 vacancies. If you have seen in every post, the scales are also mentioned. For Design UI UX, total 3 vacancies are required, which are in Scale 2 and Scale 3. So you can see for which post there are vacancies in Scale 1, though there are less vacancies in Scale 1. Only IT support has Scale 1 vacancies. Other vacancies have Scale 2, Scale 3, Scale 4. You can check out all the details. You can see for which post you are eligible as per the education qualification and experience requirement. All the details are mentioned in this recruitment PDF. You can go through them, you can read them, and if you have any queries, you can let us know in the comment below, or you can fill the Google form that is attached in the description. For Scale 1 post, 2 years experience is required. For Scale 2, 4 years. For Scale 3, there is 6 years, and for Scale 4, there is 8 years experience requirement present in this recruitment. The experience is supposed to be in the relevant field, so you can see whether you are eligible for any of the posts or not. Age specifications are mentioned. For Scale 1 post, your age should be between 23 and 27 with minimum 2 years experience. For Scale 2, 27 to 33, minimum 4 years. For Scale 3, 30 to 38. For Scale 4, 34 to 40. The level of education qualification prescribed for the post is minimum. Candidate must produce original mark sheet and provisional certificate. Experience certificate cut-off date as on 1st of October 2024. You should have the mentioned experience as on 1st of October 2024. Then let's look at the remuneration. For Chief Manager, which is Scale 4, your basic is 1,02,300 rupees. Approximate CTC is 35.27 lakh. Then for Senior Manager Scale 3 post, your approximate CTC is rupees 29.17 lakhs. For Scale 2 post, it's 23.54 lakhs. For Scale 1 post, it's approximately 19.38 lakhs. Coming to the selection procedure, there is one online platform test or scenario based test, and then there is personal interview. For developer post, there will be online coding test for approximately 3.5 hours, with the first half hour for working on paper without computer and next 3 hours for coding on computers. So mostly like you have coding paper in SEBI phase 2 exam, similar to that for developer post, here you will have a coding paper. Then for the remaining post, there will be an objective MCQ test, which will be on OMR sheets and OBRIC system. There will be 50 objective type questions with 2 hours duration. There is no negative marking in the online test. The test will be available in English language. This online test is proposed to be held on 14th of December at the below mentioned centers. After that, you will have your interview. So that is all that I have to discuss in this video. I'm again saying, if you have any queries with respect to eligibility, check out the notification, and still if you have any queries, you can write them down in the comment below, or you can fill the Google form that is attached in the description. If you are in requirement of any kind of preparation material, study notes, mock test, let us know by filling the Google form attached in the description. Enroll with iExamBee and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.